Hello my friends, welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and the 360th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen, hope all you doing well and staying safe and healthy. Before we begin, my thoughts and prayers go out to the Rogers family. Recently we have lost a great YouTuber and friend, Phil over at Phil In Florence. He was an amazing, down-to-earth person and a great cook. My thoughts and prayers go out to his wife, Janet, and the family. Rest in heaven, my friend. Today's recipe, I'm going to share with all of you an old-fashioned butter cookie. I used to eat these all the time with my grandmother. We used to sit in her back porch, laugh and talk and enjoy some butter cookies and milk. And my friends, these cookies are the bomb.com. They're going to be so delicious, decadent, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And they're going to be full of buttery flavor. Everybody's going to enjoy these cookies. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my cookies recipes playlist and my previous video, Classic Yellow Cake. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your flour, your butter, and your cookie cutter sugar, because we're about to bake some butter cookie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright my friends, in my bowl I have 2 2/3 of a cup of self-rising flour. I'm going to sift this. Alright, so now we're going to set the flour aside while we work on the wet ingredients. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 1 cup, which is 2 sticks of unsalted butter that I'll let come to room temperature. And we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar. And we're going to cream all these ingredients together until they're fluffy. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in 1 large egg at room temperature. Mix that in. Alright, now time to add in our extract. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla and 1/2 teaspoon of pure butter. Mix those in until they're well incorporated. Alright my friends, now we're going to slowly add the flour into the butter mixture. Mix that in until it's well combined. Alright my friends, this is what the cookie dough looked like. Now I'm going to cover it with some plastic wrap. Alright my friends, now we're going to put the cookie dough in the refrigerator and we're going to let it chill for 1 hour until it's firm. Alrighty my friends, our cookie dough is nice and chill and it's firm. Alright, so now using the rolling pin, we're going to roll it to about a 1/2 inch thick. Alright, that's good. Now we're ready to cut them. I'm going to cut them into 3 or 4 different shapes. I'm using a star, a heart, and a flower. And I'm also going to do some round ones too. You can use any kind of cookie cutters that you prefer. and you can make the cookies any size. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting the rest of my cookies and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through cutting all my cookies. Don't they look pretty? Smell that buttery goodness. Alright, now we're ready to put them in the oven. We're going to put it in a preheated 400-degree oven and we're going to let them bake for about 8 to 10 minutes. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alrighty my friends, I have taken my buttered cookies out of the oven. Ain't nothing like the smell of freshly baked cookies. You see how nice and golden brown they are? Alright, those look perfect. So now I'm going to let the cookies cool for a few minutes and then I'll plate them up. Alright my friends, there you have it. Old-fashioned buttered cookies. Don't they look scrumptious? Alright, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Which one I should get? I think I'll take this heart in the middle. Ooh, look at that. Soft and chewy. So buttery. These are just like how my grandmother used to make. These cookies are incredible, my friend. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Butter cookie-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.